An interaction program featuring Alfred Gangam Athar, an aspiring candidate for the 18 Lok Sabha elections from the Indian National Congress, encountered turmoil at TK Woodland on Monday. The event, organized by supporters and well-wishers, faced an unexpected disruption as gunshots erupted from the western side of the venue. Unidentified miscreants fired multiple blank shots, prompting a swift response from on-site police personnel. Fortunately, no injuries or casualties were reported as attendees were safely evacuated from the vicinity. Despite the unsettling incident, the meeting managed to reconvene and conclude as planned.